Hello guys, today we will generate signed bundle or APK file so you can release your app to Play Store. So let's start. And let's create a new project and select empty activity, click next. Give it a name, let's say sample project and click finish. Now if you have created your application and want to publish it to your Play Store account, they will ask you to upload signed bundle or APK. So how you can do that, let's see. So first go to build and here select generate signed bundle or APK. You can also build bundle or APK, simple ones, but they need signed. So let's generate signed bundle or APK. Now here you will see two options. One is Android app bundle, which is AAB, and another one is APK. Android app bundle is now has smaller download size, on-demand app features, and asset-only modules. So Android app bundle is good one. So select next. So here we have to create our key store, and for this let's create new. First give it a path. Where do you want to create this? So I will choose desktop and select desktop and create a new folder. Let's say key store and click OK and give it a file name. Let's say key and select OK. Now you have to give a password. Before giving a password, you must know that if you forgot your password, then you will not be able to upload your app. So if you can't upload your application, then you have to create another app with different package name with new users. So make sure you don't forget your password and write it down somewhere safe. Give it a password, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now give it a name, let's say key, and also give it a password here. Now you can choose here the validity of key store. Now let's give it a first and last name and your company or organization name. Here you will have to write city, and in country code you have to write down the code that you use in front of your number. Like our Pakistan is 92. Press OK. So now as you can see, we have created a key store path, and make sure you select this and click next. Now there are two options. Debug is for those who want to test their application, and release is for those who want to release their application to Play Store. So we will go on release and click finish. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, it means a lot to me. So after a little wait, you will see the message and you can see that our app bundle generated successfully. Now you can locate by clicking this, and this is the app bundle that we have created, and it's the signed one. Now you can upload this in your Play Store account by creating a new release, and there you can upload this file. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.